Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and welcome back to the series of the course Information and Business Management. And this is the week 13 of the course that I've discussed here. And the chapter name is The Business in Its Environment, Information, Demand, and Use. And this is the chapter first slide in which we have to talk about what is business environment. We have already discussed this type of topic in our previous chapters. I think chapter number 12, 2 or 3, we have already discussed about the environments. So this is like a similar chapter, but a few things are different from the chapter. Doesn't matter. Let's see it start chapter. So business environment means everything that happen inside and outside a business, which affects how it works. Okay, over here the main thing is like you can see over here the word affects. It start one is start from E and word one is start from the A. So let's see the meaning of affects. And I have already just searched for you people to make a clear clarification regarding the word affect and versus effect. Effect versus affect. Over here we have to talk about the affect. Affect and effects are commonly confused, but affects a talking about a is usually a verb meaning in meaning to influence or change. Influence, just remember, influence or change, while effect is usually a noun. Affect is a verb and effect e usually a noun meaning the result or consequences of something. Effect like something like happen a wrong way or make some kind of consequences, okay, of something. Understand your grammatical rules to help difference, doesn't matter. So affect means to influence or produce to change. Effect means result or consequence or something. Simply understand with the help of example. The loud music affected my ability to concentrate. Okay, affected my ability. It's verb affected to concentrate. The effect of the rain was a muddy field. Let's try to understand. The rain affect the game's outcome. Change, influence, change, ability. Over here, what are the effects of the new policy? Like affecting effects. Is it making kind of implementing consequences? Okay. Last example, the effect was immediate and dramatic. Change was, you can say that the consequences was immediate and dramatic. I hope you understand the difference between the effect and effect. Okay. Over here, the business environment means everything that happens inside a company, inside and outside a business, which affect it how work, change, or you can say that influence how to work. A company does not work alone. It is affected, influenced, or changed by customers, government, competitors, technology, and many other things. Okay. Let's see two types of business environment we have already discussed: internal and external, means inside, external, outside, customer, supply, government, inside, managers, culture, company, structure. Okay, while business environment is important, no customers need, plan better marketing and sales, handle change in law or market, stay strong against competitors, use modern technology for better results. Okay, let's talk about what is business information demand. Information demand means what type of information the company needed. Demand means needed to make good decision. Example: sales team needs sales report, hr need hr team needs employee record, finance team need expense details. Okay, let's talk about a source of business information. What type of sources from where we get the information? Companies collect information from internal records, sales data, employee data. Market research means customer survey, competitor analysis, public sources, government reports, newspapers, digital platform like website, social media, Google, trends, etc. Okay. Why information is important in business? Why? Information help businesses understand market change, know customer preferences, reduce risk and avoid mistakes, grow faster with smart decisions, stay competitive in the market. Okay. Example, food delivery business check, which area order more, which food items are most popular, which time of day gets more orders. They use this information to give offer to popular areas, more orders, popular areas, promote best selling foods, keep more riders during busy hours, result better sales, happy customers, more profit. So let's conclude the chapter. Every business needs to understand its environment and information needed. Needs collecting and using the right information will help businesses grow, stay competitive, and keep customers happy. So this is all from this chapter. I hope you like this chapter, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, please comment and give me your reviews regarding the video, regarding the chapter, regarding the course, and also give your feedback that like what type of changes I want to make in the video. And don't also like my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.